Everyone, after a long time we are back again, and today we will start our chapter 3 of class 7, that is data handling. Now in class 6 also we have done a chapter which was named as data handling. This is almost same, but few of these things will be new. From this chapter we will get it. Okay, now data handling means, from this name we can understand that some information or some data will be given and we have to work on that. Okay, some questions will be given and we have to solve on the basis of those data. Okay, now here you can see that some terms are given. As I said, we have to work on few of the data which will be given in the question. Now collecting data means the data which will be given in the question. Okay, definitely something will be given and on the basis of that you have to do the operations which will be given in the question. Next, organization of data. This is one of the important things which you have to find. Organization of data means, see, some data can be written in increasing order, means few of the numbers are given like 23, 35, 48, 30. You can see all these numbers are given here. Now there might be some of the terms which are based on this organization. Okay, now see, you have to organize them properly, then only you can find the solution of the question which will be given. Okay, now see, this is one of the important things which you have to do. Now you can see that here on table number 3.4 some roll numbers are given in increasing order. According to that, names are given. According to that, marks of T are given. Now again 6 to 10, you can see 1 to 10 these roll numbers are given, names are given, marks out of 50 are given. Now if we want to organize these data on the basis of the marks which they have got out of 50, we can arrange them in this way. See, here Ajay got 23, Arman 35, Ashish 48, Deepti 30, Faizan 25, Govind 46, Jay 13, Kavita 27, Manisha 32 and Neeraj 38. You can see them. But here on this table 3.5, they have arranged it on the basis of the marks out of 50 and it is given in decreasing order. See, Ashish got the maximum marks. Okay, that is 48. It is written first. But here the roll numbers are changed. You can see this is the organization. On the basis of the names, the marks also, the roll numbers are getting changed. Here the roll numbers were arranged in the increasing order. Here we have made this table on the basis of the marks which is obtained out of 50. Clear? Now, and we can also see that Jay has got the least marks, that is 13, but Jay's roll number is also 7. Okay, now in this way they have made these two tables. First table, the organization is done on roll numbers. It is given that the roll numbers are written sequentially in increasing order 1 to 10, and on the basis of that the marks of the students as well as the names are also given. And here on the table number 3.5, they have arranged this table on the basis of the marks which they have got out of 50. But this is not according to the roll number. The roll numbers are not following the same rule like the table number 3.4. Here the roll numbers are written haphazardly, but here the marks of out of 50 which they have got is arranged in decreasing order. Now representative values. Okay, now see, for here we are again getting one term that is called average. I know few of you know what is called average, but still we will discuss it. And one more term that is called arithmetic mean. Okay, now see, suppose in 1 week a milkman sold different quantities of milk. Suppose in the first day, means on Monday, he has sold 25 liters of milk, then 30 liters of milk on Tuesday, again 26 liters of milk on Wednesday. In this way he is selling, and on Sunday, that is the last day of the week, as well as some of you can also say that it is the first day, but at the last day he has sold again 24 liters of milk. Now, if someone asks you that what is the average of milk which is sold by that milkman, what will you do for that? These all quantities will be added first and it will be divided by the number of days. Each of these numbers are called the observations. Means how many observations we are getting? We are getting for 7 days 7 different observations. It is not that it will always be different, but in some of the cases it might be same. But these all are individually called as observations. Okay. Now these observations will be added first. Then they will be divided for finding arithmetic mean by the number of the observations. Here we got the sum of all the observations by adding the quantities of milk which he has sold on throughout the week. These sum will be divided by the number of days, okay, which is 7 only. And this is the formula for finding arithmetic mean. What is that? Keep it in your mind. Arithmetic mean, or we can also call it as mean, sum of all the observations that will be divided by number of observations. Okay, and this is also called as average. Okay, now next topic, that is range. Whatever we have discussed about arithmetic mean, keep it in your mind. First we have to find the sum of all of the observations. Observations means whatever is going on in a simple way. Means suppose one day a person has sold 5 dresses, another day he has sold 7 dresses. In this way he has sold so many dresses throughout the month. So how many days we are getting on which the dresses are sold? That is 30 only. 30 days are contained in a month, so we are getting 30 different observations. As I said, different observations is not always true. We are getting 30 observations only, and we have to find all of the numbers of dresses which he has sold. Then it will be divided by the number of days. Okay, now the next topic is range. Range is easier than the arithmetic mean. Finding the range will be very easy. How to do it? First step, one data will be given. Here you can see that this in this question example, the ages in years 10 teachers of a school are given. Okay, now from this you have to find that how to find the range of it. Range means first you have to observe these observations. These are all observations. You have to observe these observations. Then you have to check which is the greatest one. Then which is the smallest one. For finding range, we will simply subtract the smallest one from the greatest one. Understood everyone? Let's do the next topic. Why we are doing so, I am telling you. Just wait. Find the range of the heights of any 10 students of your class. Now see, you have to find the range. Suppose the tallest student of your class is of height 170 centimeter. Okay, and the smallest height of a student of your class is 130 centimeter. Now what will be the range of their heights? As I told, the greatest one minus the smallest one, subtracting, we are getting 40 centimeter, which is the range of the heights of any 10 students of our class. Now if you are just willing to give the all 10 students heights as observations, you can also give. Suppose, but you have to keep it in your mind that the greatest number will not exceed 170 and the smallest number will not become below 130. Okay, now suppose I am writing 130 only, then it might be greater than 130. 135, then again 131, then 142, then 146, anything you can assume. But there must be 10 number of observations, as well as the greatest number must not exceed 170. So how to find the range of it? The range will be the subtraction of the greatest height and the smallest height of those 10 students. Okay, now let's do the question number 2 of exercise 3.1. Organize the following marks in a class assessment in a tabular form. Very easy. Now see, we have already done some different things like pictograph, bar graph of data handling. Okay, now here you have to write in tabular form. Okay, so today up to this class. In my next video we will start from question number 2. Till then, stay safe. Bye everyone.